Here's your forecast from the Channel 2 Weather Team and click2houston.com.
Hi everyone, it's meteorologist Justin Stapleton. Let's check out your Saturday evening forecast along with what's happening with the latest with Hurricane Nate. Still a Category 1 hurricane, just a few hours off of making landfall across the southern Mississippi and possibly even western Alabama coastline. You can see we've got tornado warnings as some of the outer bands are interacting with the land now, and a lot of heavy rain and of course a storm surge that's going to be pushing up across the coastline. 90-mile-an-hour winds gusting to 115. Now it's moving very quickly north-northwest at around 23 miles an hour. So you have to take that 90-mile-an-hour wind and add that 23 to it. It'll be moving inland as we head to about midnight tonight, overnight through tomorrow afternoon up into northern Alabama and eventually working its way through the Tennessee Valley and then up into New England as still a heavy rainmaker by Monday into Tuesday. And in fact, how much rain could they see in some spots? Well, some swath, especially as you get across portions of Tennessee and up into the Appalachians here, 4 to 6 inches, but because it's tropical in nature, that could be closer to 6 to 10. Storm surge will be the biggest threat, I think. The Louisiana and Alabama coastlines 3 to 6 feet. Mississippi coastline, the brunt of it, 5 to 10 foot storm surge above ground, and rainfall overall 3 to 6, isolated 6 to 10. Because it's a fast moving storm, shouldn't be much of a widespread flooding event, but of course power outages and coastal flooding a big issue. For us, temperatures out here sitting in the upper 80s that slowly fall back into the low 80s by 10 o'clock tonight, starting off tomorrow morning in the low to mid 70s, that is, upper 60s as you get on the north side near Huntsville and Conroe, and then quickly moving back up into the upper 80s to low 90s. But because we're on the backside of the storm, we'll bring in some drier air, so those low 90s won't feel as oppressive as they generally do. If you're going to be tailgating out at the Texans, we'll see the temperatures there in the upper 80s, but perfect weather as you head on in and hopefully get a big win tomorrow night right here on Channel 2. Monday, Tuesday, cold front moves on through, slight chance for showers early with that, and then brings in some slightly drier and cooler air Wednesday, Thursday. And right now as we go into next weekend, pretty decent looking weather as well. Temperatures in the upper 80s and over those near 70.